I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open a BMW 5 Series bonnet. First, ensure your car is parked safely. Then, locate the primary bonnet release lever, typically found on the driver's side near the footwell. Give this lever a firm pull. You should hear a distinct click, indicating the bonnet has partially unlatched. This initial step is crucial for accessing the secondary safety mechanism. Now move to the front of your BMW. Gently lift the bonnet a few inches to locate the secondary safety latch. This latch is usually positioned near the center or slightly to one side, just above the grille. Depending on your specific 5 Series model, you'll either push it to the side or lift it up. This action fully disengages the bonnet, allowing you to open it completely. With the secondary latch released, you can now gently lift the bonnet all the way up. Once open, locate the prop rod, usually attached to the underside of the bonnet or near the engine bay. Insert the end of the prop rod into the designated slot to securely hold the bonnet open. This ensures your safety and provides clear access for any maintenance or checks you need to perform. To close the bonnet, first remove the prop rod and secure it back in its holder. Gently lower the bonnet until it's about 12 inches above the closed position. From this height, firmly push down on the bonnet, ensuring both latches engage securely. You should hear 2 distinct clicks. Always double-check that the bonnet is fully closed before driving. Also, remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.